Here are 3 best iPadOS 17 tips and tricks. At number 1 we have Stage Manager. Now keep in mind Stage Manager only works with M1 or M2 iPads and the iPad Air 4 with 256 gigs. Now Stage Manager, as you see, helps you organize your apps as you want, which is a better way for multitasking. And you also have lock screen customization. Now I've been waiting for this feature from iOS 16 till now. This is fantastic. Look at that. We can customize the lock screen as we want. Look at this customization. You can change the color, make the font bigger, much more things. Do you think this lock screen customization is better than the One UI 5 lock screen customization with Samsung devices? Tell me in the comments. Look at this wallpaper, which changes from the lock screen to the home screen. This is fantastic. Of course, you can also put some emojis and stickers on the lock screen as you want to do. Just look how customizable the lock screen is. And at number 3, we have the Health app. Yes, Apple added the Health app to iPadOS 17, finally. Look at that, that is fantastic. Now everything on the Health app available on the iPhone is now available on the iPad. If you go to Summary, click here, we can read some informations, some documentary. And guys, now subscribe and I will catch you in the next one.